Hello everyone, my name is Nandita Zara. Here I'm gonna tell you a tutorial about using hair dryer. Having a bad hair day? I have just the right solution for you. Voda, with this powerful motor and intelligent heat control, Voda hair dryer is the right fit for all. People won't have bad hair day and damp hair no more. Now I'm gonna tell you all the steps of using Voda hair dryer. First, prepare your Voda hair dryer and then find an electronic terminal for using it because it needs power to be on. Now you can first divide your hair into sections so that our hair won't be left out and throughout the hair will be dry. Just like this. And your motion is also important. When drying hair, try to be directional way. Otherwise, your hair won't be as voluminous and will look messy. Lastly, heat is also important. If using a water hair dryer, there's two ways of heat level. There's if using a heat intensity will cause a damaged hair. So we can use the bottom one or the medium level and don't use it too closely to your hair. Keep a 10-inch distance from you so you can have a safer use. Like this. Put it on level 1, then keep it 10 inches from you. If you're done using your hair dryer, you can unplug it and put it on a safe place. Store it well. And thank you for watching.